Assalamu alaikum. I hope you people are fine, doing well, and good morning for non-Muslims. Today's topic of discussion is about revised stratigraphic setup of Chagai Rasco Wazabad magmatic arc. It's Wazadad, not Wazabad. So Balkani presented stratigraphy of Balochistan Basin. The Chagai Rasco Wazdad magmatic arc shows Cretaceous Chagai intrusions which invaded by Sinjarani volcanic group. Cretaceous Pliocene Nisai group includes Akhtar Nika and Jabrai formations. Further, late Paleocene, early Eocene Shagla group includes Murga, Fakirzai and Mina formations. And Vasuk intrusions and Wazadad volcanoclastics group and Vashok aphelites Oligocene Pliocene Pishi group, Middle Miocene Buzi Mushiko volcanic groups, late Pliocene to Pleistocene Kohe Sultan volcanic group and Pleistocene Holocene Sakhi server group, subrecent and recent fluvial Aeolian and colluvial deposits. The first one is Wazdad magmatic arc. The Wazdad magmatic arc shows the Eocene Wakay limestone, Sihan shale, Wazdad volcanic clastic group, Zeruti formations, Vashuk ophiolitic melange, Washab shale, Panjpur, and Camrose formations. The detail is provided in Makran and Sihan ranges. Mashakhel basin, it's basically inter-arch basin. These are mostly represented the Hamune Mashkhel. It represents mostly Aeolian sand dunes covering the fluvial Pleistocene Camrose formation and subrecent alluvial deposits. The Camrose formation contain conglomerates, sandstones, and clays. The older rocks is Sihana and Nadran Makran ranges. Kakkar Khurasan basin. Kakkar Khurasan basin shows the Eocene Nisai formations and Khoja group consisting of Oligocene, Pliocene, Murga, Fakirzai and Shagla formations and Pleistocene Bostan formation. The northern part of this basin show flysch deposits like Murga, Fakirzai shales and molasses deposition like Shangla sandstones. However, the southern part, like Pishi Basin, show both these formations as flysch deposits. Next one is Nisai formation. Nisai formation is name is given by Hunting Survey corporations because of their black nummulitic limestone conglomerates, but the Chima redefined Nisai formation for Nisai group. Next है section is exposed 12 km north of Nisai railway station and traversed by road loading north from the railway station. That was designed as type section. In the type section, it consists of limestone, marl, and shale with subordinate sandstone and conglomerates. HSC divided it into two units like thin and thick bedded lithologies. These are assemblages. The thick assemblage sequence is further divided into three parts like lower dark limestone and pale grey shale, the middle largely shale with some limestone, marl and sandstone. The upper part contains thick member of limestone and sandstone with thin layer of shale and conglomerate. Thick assemblages are only found in northern Balochistan basin. Thin assemblages have few exposure in northern and southern Balochistan basin and it's exposed in axial belt areas. Shagla group includes Murga, Fakirzai, Mina and Shagla formation. Murga Fakirzai formation is named after village of Murga Fakirzai about 2-5 km north of Muslimbagh. It is mapped by HSC in northern and southern Balochistan basin and also in Indus Suchar. It comprises shale with minor sandstones and shelly limestone. Its pale greenish grey shales, these are calcareous. Pencil cleavage is type feature of this shale observed in metamorphosed areas. The sandstone color is green to grey, calcareous and ripple marked. Thin shelly limestone beds are found in base and top for soil fossil collection source. The source of this formation is mostly hinterland and partially Indus region. The tentative thickness is 400 to 1200 meter. Their contact seems to be transitional and conformable. Their age is early to middle Oligocene. Further is Mina Formation. Mina Formation is named by the village called Shagla Zoprod. Their village name is Mina village. The sandstone is fine to coarse grained, gritty, thin to thick bedded, grey to greenish grey, weathers light grey, and at places black desert varnished on its surface. It's about 2000 meter thick in northern Balochistan basin, and formation shows marine conditions in all Balochistan basins. In upper contact with continental Shagla formation is disconformable, while lower contact with Moga Fakirze shale is conformable. Shagla formation is named after Militia post of Shagla, about 50 km southwest of Zo. It consists of sandstone and shale, but at places conglomerate and limestone. The sandstone is fine to coarse grained, gritty, thin to thick bedded, grey to greenish grey, brown, and weathers light grey brown, rusty with patches of black desert varnish on its surface. In central and eastern part of Kakkar Khorasan range, the sandstone is more coarsely grained and thick bedded than western part of this formation. It shows the source from Indus Suchar. Next is its shale is maroon, red, ochre type, grey, greenish grey, and calcareous. And इसके अलावा द मुल्ताना फॉर्मेशन है. It's named by HSC, and it consists of conglomerate with subordinate shale and sandstone. It belongs to Vihova group, which consists of Chitarwala, Vihova, Litra, and Chodwan formations. Bostan formation is named after village Bostan, 20 km east of Kuchlak. It consists of clay, silt, sandstone, and conglomerate. The clay and silts are red to maroon brown. The sandstone and conglomerates are medium to thick bedded and mostly friable, and they show uplift of area. It belongs to Sakhi server group, and Pleistocene Holocene Sakhi server group represents Dada and Sakhi server formation that have mud and sandstone with poorly developed conglomerate, while in center of valleys the mud is dominant. Next है Kakkar Khorasan basin. I will discuss it in my other vlog. Kindly like and subscribe my channel.